Hello, hello, Billy Diamond here of Brandy for Entertainers, and let's talk about the gem table as far as the tabletop options that you have for the finishing. And what you're looking at right here is neoprene. Neoprene is the material that is used up in close-up pads or close-up mats that you're probably used to if you're a magician. And this is my preference. And it's pretty much the standard that I have for this gem table. And you can see that, cards spread very nicely on this particular material. And it's really great because it has a nice little grip to it. Let's move to the next option, and that would be this black carpet. And you're probably familiar with this simply because if you have ever owned a Joe Leffler table or even a Showtime Magic table, that's what this material is, and it's very durable, and it holds up really, really well. And it also has a nice spread to it as it relates to cards. And I'm not a card guy, so you can see you get a really nice ribbon spread out of this stuff. And here again, this material is extremely, extremely durable in nature and makes a really nice tabletop. Our next option that I have for you is hex grip. Hex grip is this honeycomb pattern, as you see here. It has, you can hear it. It has this nice little texture to it, and it's what is usually used for the laminate of ATA cases. That's what I use it for the most, but it's really durable and holds up really well. So it's just a preference. That's the hex grip. And then the last option here that you see, this is a little big, I'm sorry, but this is from a shelf unit, and it's just a texturized black laminate. And it's a little hard to see, but you get the idea. And it does the job. It's not a painted finish. It's just a really nice texture to it, and it holds up extremely well. It's a little slippery, as you can see, in comparison to some of the other options, but it is still an option for you. So there are your options for the gem tabletop. So once again, the hex grip. Then we have the carpet. And then in addition to that, we also have the neoprene. So there are your options. But hey, just like they used to say in the infomercials on TV, but wait, there's more. Last minute I decided I would add one more tabletop option for you, and it is called TOLEX. And TOLEX, if you're not familiar with it, it's the kind of material, it's a faux leather, and it's something that they use typically on like guitar amps is where you see it a lot. But it works great for tables, and I have that for you in a variety of many, many options and many textures. So if you just let me know what you want, I can hook you up and make sure you get that for your table as well.